Facebook is a social media platform where we are connected with friends and family members, and we interact on this virtual platform, and we have many more than normally people say more than 300, 500, and some have, if you have a good social network, so you can have more than 1,000 and 2,000 followers and friends and followers on Facebook, right? And it is now a marketing platform as well. Companies, as I discussed in the first lecture, we are mostly engaged with our handheld devices, smartphones, tablets, and laptops, and companies are chasing us. Advertisements is appearing on these devices because we are mostly devoting our time on these devices instead of television or newspaper nowadays, right? So similarly, Facebook media, Facebook platform, we are engaged with the Facebook platform, or you may be more engaged with Instagram, that is again owned by the Facebook, and the Instagram marketing is different, but mostly all the advertisements, sponsored advertisements, and all are covered by the Facebook page manager on Instagram as well, right? So we'll be discussing today about the Facebook marketing, and all these social media platforms, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, right, Pinterest, and all these all are existing together from long time. These all are existing together from long time. Not initially the Orkut was launched, and Orkut, and when the Facebook came, the Orkut just disappeared, right? So, but not the this is not with the other social media platforms, because all these are different from one another in some one or more ways. They are different from one to another. Facebook is different from Instagram, and they both are different from YouTube, and they are different from LinkedIn, as we have discussed the LinkedIn in the last class, right? LinkedIn basically a professional networking platform, initially started with. Now it is a recruitment platform as well. So all of you, please build a good profile on LinkedIn and update is regularly, and go for some certifications, online certifications, and add these certifications on your LinkedIn profile, right? So these all are existing together: Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, because they are different from one another in some one or more ways. Is the process of gaining website traffic. It is not only process of gaining website traffic on the they itself, whether we talk about the Facebook, or talk about the LinkedIn or Twitter, they itself are very matured marketing platform now. They are even able to sell product or services on their own platform. If you have a Facebook page and you have good number of followers and you are selling a good product on your Facebook page, you can get leads and you can even sell using your Facebook platform, right? Initially, and but we are companies are not using Facebook. If a large organization, small businesses are using Facebook page for even selling it as well, right? They may not be able to afford a website. They may not be able to use a website for marketing. They cannot have budget to hire a permanent website developer who can update the website on regular intervals, right? So they are working on Facebook page, and the Facebook page is sufficient for them, helping them go to advertise in local markets. And if they have a specific product and they are selling all over the India or all over the world, they can do as well. But in normal cases, companies are using Facebook for promotions and sponsored. We know every third, fourth post we can say on the Facebook is a sponsored advertisement from one and another company, right? And they are using Facebook for the lead generation. Lead generation mean, what is a lead? Lead is a explicit information about a prospective customer. Getting the point? Information about a prospective customer, information maybe its name or and contact number, maybe only email address. This is we call the lead. We have generated the lead. The companies are using in the most of the cases Facebook for lead generation, for product promotions, for right, and social media marketing as a whole. All the platforms we are using for the lead generation. As is, we are all of us are using for the lead generation. Social media marketing is the process of gaining website traffic or attention through social media sites. Traffic and attention, right? Brand awareness. We say it brand awareness. At least people will be aware about the brand that such a brand is selling such a product or such a brand exists in the market, right? So this is the use of social media marketing. And benefits of social media marketing is, as I said, brand awareness, right? Brand awareness, that is even in low cost. If you are able to design a good post and you have a good number of followers on your Facebook page, and you can share on different Facebook groups that post, and you can even reach up to thousands of people without paying anything to the Google, to Facebook, without going for sponsored advertisements for a particular post, without boosting that post. Boosting, even we need to invest on that post, right? Facebook suggests if any post is performing good, then Facebook suggests that you can boost it. It is performing good than your other regular posts, right? But if you are harnessing Facebook for marketing, we are not using only Facebook page, but we are also using Facebook groups as well. So we can be member for multiple Facebook groups relevant to our business, and we can share our Facebook page post on these groups for more reach, for reaching more number of audience, more number of people. Getting the point? And the benefits are brand awareness, brand promotion, right? Brand awareness, brand promotion, increased sales. Definitely we are making aware, we are promoting, then number of leads will be generating will be high, the sales will be increased conversion on website, conversion rates will be increased engagement in your application. Social media allow you to get feedback instantly, commenting, right? Your prospective customers can comment on your product or service, your campaign you have launched on the social media platform. If any campaign is going on the Facebook, then you can comment. If a product is good, you can ask for the price, or you can ask for the more details on the Facebook. That is about getting feedback about the product, and that is about getting leads for the product, right? Social media helps target audience more effectively. It helps target audience more effectively, and that is the difference. If you are going for sponsored advertisements on social media, on any platform, on the Facebook especially, as we are talking about Facebook today, so we can target our prospective customers. You can target for a specific group of audience. You may be targeting for females only or males only. We can target a particular age segment from 30 years to 50 years, or if it is for, right, from 25 to 55 or 65 years. They have paying capacity, they will be in the job, they are the decision makers, right? So we can target similarly, but in case of sponsored ads or advertisements on the Facebook, we can target particular segment geographically. Even geographically, we are targeting this particular advertisement only in Dehradun and in 4 kilometers of the vicinity. That is geographical targeting. That is facilities available. We can target a segment of particular segment of higher educated people, those who are at least graduate. The post should be visible to those who are at least graduate. BA, BCom, BTech, MBBS, whatever the graduation degree is, right? Or maybe MBA students only, or maybe undergraduate students only. So this type of targeting is possible in Facebook and in other social media platforms as well, right? This we can, by doing this, we can reach our target segment. Basically, Facebook is a social media platform, as we all know, as explained, where we can make new friends and find old school college friends, interact with new people, see photos of our friends and celebrities and so on, and family members as well, living in distance locations and in the same city as well. But in digital marketing term, for as a marketer, Facebook is a part of social media marketing that we can use as a tool for social media marketing. We can use. The assignment for every one of you is to please make a Facebook page. Make a Facebook page. The name you can give that Facebook page, you can give any name and your own name or any hobby you have, and invite your friends and followers for liking that page. When someone likes a page, it means he or she is now member of that Facebook page, follower of that Facebook page. Any post we are posting on that Facebook page, he or she will be able to view that post. This is about like a Facebook page. Page like and post like, these two things are different, right? Page like means you are now follower of that page. So invite your friends and followers to like your page. And this is the assignment for all of you, right? To make a Facebook page. Why Facebook? Facebook has a huge amount of customer base. Facebook has 2.23 billion monthly active users. Facebook support more than 100 plus languages. Facebook is a globally popular social networking platform, right? It's globally popular. And if we talk about Instagram, mostly youngsters are there on Instagram, others too. If we talk about Twitter, celebrities are mostly there posting on the Twitter, tweeting, tweeting and all, tweeting and retweeting. And if we talk about LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a network of professionals. That is, you're getting the point. There's some different segments of peoples are dominating. If we talk about Instagram, it is dominated by youngsters, young generation. You'll be with me, I think. I'm right. It is dominant. I'm saying that dominated. I'm not saying that if anyone having the age 50 don't have the account in Instagram, they have account, but dominated by mostly and most active users are youngsters on Instagram. Similarly, in LinkedIn, professionals are there or working somewhere in the companies. They are there on mostly in LinkedIn, right? In Twitter, dominated by celebrities, and they are mostly active users there. But the Facebook is such a platform, what I think, it has a heterogeneous population, audience, right? Every age group and different and versatile community is added on the Facebook. They may not be logging in on daily basis, but weekly once and twice. I have also done a research on Facebook on different social media platforms. I've taken opinions from you as well, I think. But mostly all age group, males and females are there on Facebook, you will find, and different professionals and self-employed you will find on the Facebook. From every geographical area worldwide, you will find people on the Facebook. It has a heterogeneous population, right? That is one benefit of using Facebook. The average Facebook user has 330 friends. Average. 15% of FB users have more than 500 friends. 15%. An average user likes 40 pages, as I said, pages, company pages, hobby related pages and all, maybe pages of the organizations, universities and colleges they studied or they are studying, right? Each day 4.7 billion posts are shared on Facebook. Such a huge platform, you can imagine, right? There are between 1500 and 15,000 pieces of content that Facebook could show you each time you log in, right? This is about what is a Facebook page? Facebook page is like a personal profile page, but for a business profile or a celebrity profile. Facebook page, and that page we can create only from someone's ID, individual's ID, some individual's ID. If you have joined a new company and company don't have a Facebook page, then if you are going to want to create it, the page will be created from someone's account, someone's individual account, Facebook account, maybe from your, maybe from you, the chairman of the company or MD of the company or marketing manager of the company. Getting the point? People can like pages that receive posts by business in their news feed, right? If you, and at least you must like the pages of companies you want to work with. Pages of Facebook, graphic era Hill University and graphic era deemed to be university, and right, you must like all these pages. You will get what is happening in the university on daily basis, and at least log in once and twice. And like pages of the organizations you want to work with, you studied with, and you have hobby, you have interest in particular segment, maybe pages of some musicians, pages of singers, dancers, or bloggers, you want to, bloggers and all, right? A page can have some similar information to the website, such as about, contact details, and call to action button. A Facebook page has about information, contact details, even call to actions, right? And now a Facebook page can show the product details as well, prices as well. Okay, if you have you are selling 50 products, then you can services, in the services segment you can enter individual products, product picture, product price, right? You can, this facility is also available, the product details, service details. If you are owning a restaurant or a restaurant manager, even then you can enter your menu, product, different product you are selling in the restaurant. The product section is also there on the Facebook page, right? See the next slide. This is basically a typical Facebook page, right? And tasty, this is the base, we call it the background picture, and this is profile picture. Profile picture is like our profile picture on Facebook, and this background picture is similar to the background picture on individual Facebook page. But you must check on the Google what should be the size of that background picture, optimum size to display good on mobile phones, small screens they have, or on laptops. So better to go for the size which will be more better visible on small screens on handsets, mobile smartphones and tablets, because mostly 95% or 90% now users are on Facebook, on the visiting Facebook using their smartphones. So we have to go for a background image size which is used for smartphones. Similarly, the profile picture will be around 250 into 250 pixels, 250 by 250. As I said, post videos, the video section this is a Facebook post. This is the contained written text about this particular product by a restaurant, Tastefix, right? Tastefix is a restaurant, right? And they have updated with a new recipe. And this is about the product, and this is the picture. Call to action button, learn more on, contact us or call us, or WhatsApp button is now also available. Facebook have new updates. Here you can connect directly to sellers WhatsApp for the more information or for ordering the product, right? Call to action. Cover photo, it is cover photo as I said, and profile picture. This one is profile picture. This is a typical, and here you can have a story and you can invite to your friends and followers, and from this is the button to promote, means if you want to launch a campaign of rupees 200 300 on daily basis, or even from the 80 or 100 rupees per day basis, this is about section. This is section for photos and videos, right? Community building, how many followers you have, right? So this is a typical Facebook page picture. What are Facebook posts? Post as we post on our individual ID on Facebook and or Instagram. Similarly, we post on Facebook page as well. Post or content of a post can be anything: text, photos, videos, or link to another website or article. You can even link to another website or your website, you can say your website or any article with even with your this photograph or without photograph. The key to Facebook marketing is having content that people want to see, like and share. People can share, can like and can comment on your content, right? If someone, we also do the same thing. If the post is very good, the video or picture is very informative, very good, we definitely want to share it. Let's share it. And if it belongs to our interest or it belongs to someone we know, though we normally share. I said you must share the post of the companies you want to work with in LinkedIn as well. Make a good profile on LinkedIn, and in LinkedIn also you can subscribe, you can like, you can follow the companies you want to work and the companies relevant to you. You can follow pages of the companies. As in the Facebook, similarly pages are there on the LinkedIn as well. LinkedIn pages, LinkedIn profile of the companies, and you must follow profile of the companies. You can share it when they are introducing you with a new, some they are in continuous posting continuously on the LinkedIn, right? Used to post continuously on the LinkedIn with a new product launch, with new facilities, right? So we must like, comment and share about this content of the companies you want to work with and you are interested with. The other important key to Facebook marketing is that your post should have a call to action and should be a unique content. Call to action is means you are reaching somewhere, you want to buy it, then you can click it. That is call to action button. Right? Your organization, what you want to say, and your audience. Here the organization want to say something, and here the audience want to hear something, what they are actually interested in, the audiences. It is not necessary that your organization is saying something, posting something, and every audience is interested in listening that. No, some segment may be relevant to all. Best post. The post which is relevant to maximum number of audience you have on your page will be the best post. Getting the point? And you will be receiving more number of likes, comments and share on such post. So we have to post on our page according to our audience profile. We have to study our audience. We have to research about our audience, what they want to hear from us, what our audience, our customers, our consumers want to hear from us. They may want to hear about an offer in festive season now. We are near to a festive season, Navratri and Diwali. So every customer or consumer of every company now wants to hear about some offers, what they are offering in this season. If they are offering good, definitely the audience will share, will comment, and will ask for prices, will ask for deliveries, will ask for warranties and all, and will ask for payment terms and conditions. Is there any installment scheme to buy the product? Right? So, relevant to all. If the post is relevant to maximum number of audience, then definitely we will be getting more number of likes, shares, comments, and leads and revenue, sales. Getting the point? So this is, and what is the reach? I'm also talking about the reach. The reach will be more. Reach is the number of people who see your post. Reach is number of people who see your post on Facebook. We call it reach. We reach to 5,000 people. The post reached to 5,000 people. I said, suppose you have 10,000 followers on your Facebook page, 10,000 people have liked your page, and you want to make your reach, you want to, you are trying to reach, let the post reach to maximum number of people. So what can be the organic way without investing any money extra? So we can subscribe, we can be member of multiple Facebook groups. Facebook group is different from Facebook page, and we can share that Facebook page post on these Facebook groups to increase our reach organically without paying anything to Facebook. And the other way is we can boost that post by paying Facebook, and we can reach, the reach will automatically will increase. Now Facebook takes the post to relevant audience, right? Reach is the number of people who see your post. Similar to print readership in traditional advertising. Print readership means how many newspapers or magazines you are able to sell. This reach, print readership. It may appear in people's feed, but it depends on the may react into or not. Organic reach versus paid reach. I'm using the term organic reach and paid reach. Paid reach is when we are paying Facebook for taking our post to more number of people. Posting the post is a paid reach. Organic reach, people who see your ad via a like, share or comment. Someone comments, then definitely more number of people able to see the advertisement. If someone shares, then definitely the more number of people will be able to view the advertisements. Notification that a person's friend makes. Paid is about shares basically, comments and share. Paid reach, people who are served to your post because they meet the criteria of target audience that you identify. You're meeting the criteria of target audience. Suppose you are posting a post and you are mentioning Facebook that the post should be visible to only men and women on the age group of 25 to 55, and they must be in a particular geographical location in Dehradun only, because you are paying for that to Facebook. Now you will define. They may be in a particular interest segment. They may have a particular minimum qualification, educational qualification, or minimum income grade, at least paying capacity, right? So this is organic reach and paid reach. How to reach organically? How we can reach organically means paying without paying to Facebook. How we can reach without paying to Facebook, right? What are the ways? These are the ways. I said, please everyone make a Facebook page and send me the link of your Facebook page. Post good content, post to the interest of the audience, not your needs. Post content that inspires. Use photos that pass the scroll test, right? Post frequency and timing. Max of one per day. Afternoon is best. Max of once per day. Now the traffic on Facebook is too much. Now normally we post more, at least 2 posts a day. Now we are going to post 2 posts a day, right? 2 posts a day. Post content that is likely to spur conversations. Start some conversations. Ask open-ended questions to spark feedback. Follow your Facebook insights. Engagements, likes, comments, shares divided by people reached. Try to target 10% engagement with your post. As engagement increases, so does your reach. If the posting engaging, if people are sharing it, if people are commenting on it, it is open-ended and sparring the conversation, right? The post will definitely work and the reach will be high. It will reach organically a large number of audience, right? The reach mostly depends on the post, how interesting it is among your audience. Getting the point? So this is for the day. We'll discuss later. Slides are there about the Facebook on the next class. And the assignment is every one of you will make a Facebook page and will send me the link and grow your audience continuously on that page. Grow your audience continuously on that page by inviting your friends and followers. I will also tell you some other ways, some techniques of how you can increase number of page likes, means page audience followers in the next class, and send me link of your Facebook page you created newly, right? You have to work on a new Facebook page, right? I am downloading the attendance sheet of today's. At the right, only 3 are there out of 21. Gursimran Kaul, Ayush Semwal, and Avantika Goswami.
Thank you, sir.